Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So on this episode I want to show you how to achieve an eyeshadow look, a beginner friendly eyeshadow look. First step in eyeshadow application is having a clean and evened out base. So I'll use my concealer. When you use concealer on the lid, the pigmentation of the eyeshadow is going to be better than just applying the eyeshadows directly without priming or using a concealer. So if you have an eyeshadow primer, I think it even works better, but I am used to using concealers. Blend out nicely. And make sure you tap off the excess to avoid a lot of eyeshadow falling on your face. And for this shade, I want to put it at this part where you are seeing when I have opened my eyes, above the lid. It's called the crease. So it's going to act as my transition. So you start by placing it like that and blending it out to the areas that you want. As you can see, it's not blended in well. You can see the line. So to blend that, I'm going to use my blending brush, which is clean. And I'm just blending the edges. Notice I'm not blending the entire thing, I'm just blending the edges to avoid harsh lines. I want to work with 3 colors, show you how to blend in different colors. So the next color I'm going to use is this one, right? To use it at the outer part of the eye, and this is going to give me a smoked out effect. To my blending brush, and I'm going to blend the edges. Going to the shimmery shade, and I am going to use this shade here. It's called Dancing Queen. I'm going to place that on my lid, but not all the way, up to where the dark brown shade begins. And I am pressing the shadow like this. I can't leave this line here, so I need to blend this part out. So I'm using the brush that I used to apply the first colors, and I am blending the edges of this shimmer shade like this. So once you're comfortable, you can then take the blending brush again and blend. And take the shade Glow Getter, and I'll use that at this point. It's called the brow bone, to highlight a bit. And I'll take the same color and put it at the tear duct. And I'm blending in with the lid shade of the front part. To finish off the eye look, I'm going to use my eyeliner, which is optional. I have done the mascara and I have popped in my lashes, so I'm now going to do the lower lash line. So I'm starting by using my eyeliner. So I am going to take a bit of concealer on the concealer brush and apply at this bottom part of the eyes. I'm going to use the same colors that I used on the lid, but not the shimmer one, just the matte one. So that's it for this episode. I hope that you guys can now create lovely makeup looks from the information on this video. I hope that you enjoyed. If you have any questions, leave them at the comment section. Yeah, see you on the next one. Bye.